Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome back my YouTube channel and your love on my videos. I want to share fashion article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am showing baby dress design. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. This baby pattern design are having to all fabulous design from easy. This baby dress can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All frock design have this unique and for the use. Guys, some people like bright colors and some people like light color, but in this video you will see all color design. The fashion lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to get more their shine more and more. These party functions and everyday patterns used to wear baby dress design. So unique and so here the seed idea for getting this winning design. I hope you enjoy this collection. I hope you enjoy this collection. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent pattern design. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update and share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.